Hey, my name is Brent with Gooey Gutters. I'm here at a maintenance plan customer's house to do a complimentary visit to take care of an overflow problem that they're having with their gutters. They noticed some overflows during the heavy rains that we're having right now. They noticed it last night. So what I did is I went and checked the level of this area. We noticed that there's a little pull away from the front of the gutter. So I buttoned that up. The level's good, but the biggest issue was the clog that they had. Now they've recently had a visit a few months ago, but the issue is that debris comes when it does and it blocks the downspout. We take care of these visits in between so that way it doesn't damage your fascia, your soffit, your foundation, anything else that it could touch if water were to pool over or if it were to even freeze and damage your gutters that way. So if you're thinking about a maintenance plan, it's just a good idea to get it done. You know, the average customer needs a gutter clearing once a year. Maybe you have extra trees, maybe you see pooling over your gutters. You know, a lot of people don't take a look outside when it's raining and check, hey, is there extra water coming over that's potentially damaging your house? So we want to get you taken care of. The maintenance plan is the best way for you to not forget to get it done because we're going to remember for you.